Welcome to our full guide on how to fix the connection issue between Garena and Facebook in 2025. If you've been struggling with this error, don't worry. We'll walk you through each step to resolve it. First, let's look at some common error messages you might see, such as failed to connect or session expired. These symptoms indicate a disruption in the connection between your Garena account and Facebook. Before we dive into more specific fixes, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and make sure you're connected properly. Next, verify that your Facebook account is active and that Garena has the necessary permissions to access your account. Go to your Facebook settings and check the Apps and Websites section. Outdated apps can also lead to connection issues. Make sure you're running the latest version of the Garena app. Visit your device's app store and check for updates. Clearing the app cache can frequently resolve connection hitches. Go to your device's settings, find the Garena app, and clear its cache and data. After clearing cache, try to relink your Facebook account in the Garena app settings. This action may refresh the connection. Sometimes restricted accounts can lead to access issues. Check if your Facebook account has any security restrictions that might be interfering with Garena. If you're still having trouble, try accessing Garena from a different device or network. This can help isolate the problem. We hope this guide helps you resolve the connection issues with Garena and Facebook. For more support, check the links in the description below or visit the official Garena support page.